Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to block someone on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to block someone on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account like I have already logged into my account, guys. Now in order to proceed from over here, you can see your username available for us over here at the left side of the screen. Hover over your username and this kind of menu will appear. Click on the friends button, which is the third one over here, and all of your friends on Steam will be available over here. Now in order to proceed to block a person from this list, simply click on their account over here, and when this appears, guys, their account appears like this. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-dotted icon available for us with the drop down arrow. Click on that three-dotted icon, the drop down arrow, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the block all communications option available for us. Click on block all communication, and when this menu appears, click on the yes block them option over here, and then that person will be blocked on Steam. And that being said, guys, this is how to block someone on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.